Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by stating who the email is for and why. This sets filters for tone and content. Next, give Chatgpt 3 core facts and constraints, word limit, deadline, or attachments so it won't guess. Then select a template, brief, formal, or conversational. This helps the model match expectations. Once done, ask for a subject line and a one-paragraph draft. This jump-starts the writing. It prevents vague, scattered outputs and saves revision time. Now you refine the draft. Tell Chatgpt why a sentence should change, clarity, tone, or brevity, so it learns the target. Ask for 2 alternative openings and 2 closings. This gives immediate choices for voice and formality. Make sentence-level edits like shortening to a specific word count or swapping jargon for plain language. Then add personalization tokens, recipient name, company, or previous meeting detail to increase relevance. Make sure to confirm the subject line matches the final tone. Finally, proofread the draft for facts, dates, and names. Chatgpt can hallucinate details, so you verify. Ask for a 2-sentence summary for skimming and add a clear next step or follow-up line. If the tone is off, request a targeted rewrite using an adjective warmer, firmer, or more concise, and show the sentence to change. For attachments, confirm file names and mention them in the body. Troubleshooting tip: if content drifts, paste the original prompt and ask for output constrained to those bullets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.